Let's see if everything works. You are live, you are online. Jebsen, hello.
Yes, yes,
Good,
yes, yes, yes,
good,
yes.
good morning from Frankfurt.
Good
Live from the
afternoon.
ACHEMA.
Yeah,
I saw
yeah.
this, the guys do this, like, the PSG check mark. That is the reason. Yeah, I like it a lot if you don't do it like this. Yeah. Very good morning, Jemson, from the ACHEMA. I'm super excited um, to show our booth. I mean, you are not here, but still you're here because everyone is asking for you. And see, Jemson, Germany at the moment, as we have the European Soccer Club, is completely into, um, yeah, into the soccer topic. Yeah, I'm very excited to show you and to give you short impression of our booth. Yeah, we will go into this all together, and I will show you some more details, James. Can you hear me? Okay.
Yes, this loud and clear. You're well
Okay,
positioned
super.
at the
And
entrance.
see what we also got is here. So everyone who is on the booth, on the show, on the ACHEMA, come join us and kick some kick some ball. Maybe better than Jose is. Yeah. So this is a short impression for you from the ACHEMA, and yeah, I must say already yesterday was wow, quite busy for a Monday. Usually the Monday is a little bit, yeah, easier, but it was quite good. But now, first things first, Jameson, good to see you back again here online. As I said, many people were asking for you. How are you?
I'm at I'm in Kuala Lumpur this week. Yeah, and
Right.
warm greeting from Kuala Lumpur, having a 33 degrees Celsius.
Okay. Yeah, we have a
I,
little less temperature here, but yeah, I think it's a super opportunity to yeah, give you an impression of our booth, of the new developments, of the things we are doing at PSG, and I must say I'm very excited about the new products we can release here. So let me click the right button. Okay, this is the right button, Jimson. Yeah, I think first of all, I mean, we haven't done a webinar since quite some time. It feels good again, I must say. And as you can see, there were more than 70 people signing up. So I can feel maybe in the future the hybrid model is a little bit coming back. Yeah, we want to meet us face to face, but at the same time, I think online has some very much advantages. Yeah. For our vision, I think that is nothing new. The climate change, the reliable and good emission monitoring is still a topic which drives us in the company, in the Perfect Sample Gas team, all the members every day. And also the optimization of the process industry is a big topic here. Um, Hopefully, I don't know, Jemson, maybe we give a very short overview. Uh, what is PSG about? What is your understanding of the Perfect Sample Gas?
yeah, especially when we talk about the SAM's emission. Yeah, we have literally from A to Z most of the components that required by the market.
Right. Yeah. So we always say from extracting the probe, the transportation, and the conditioning of the probe. This is our topic, right? This is where we are, and this is also where we have our innovations. Yeah. Next slide. And this is exciting. Some of them you might see them, even you for the first time, Jemson, not just on a PowerPoint but in real life. So we have three main innovations we would like to share here with you. Yeah, we have the gas sampling probes where we have our new shut-off valve, not just pressure reduction, but real shut-off. Overview comes IECX certification for our heated sample lines, and yeah, also the gas cooler, our new baby. the new kid on the block, how you always say that. Okay. Yeah, maybe a little bit company background here is located in Frankfurt with more than 50 employees now, Jemsen. We are growing. Yeah, thanks to your support, thanks to the support from all the regions in the world.
Our pleasure.
Thanks to our great team. I think it's a great achievement. Yeah, to have so many colleagues sharing the same idea and working on the same vision. So we can just be very thankful for this. Okay, Jemsen, pressure reduction valve. When would you use this?
We will use this especially for people who emphasize on back perch. Yeah, it is so important to have this simple pressure reduction valve to replace or substitute the electrical solenoid valve.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe Robin is so kind. He is supporting us in the background in this webinar. Maybe Robin, you can be so kind and share the link to our pressure reduction valve on the website so that you have the data sheet. Because there's a little, no, not a little, there's a big difference between the pressure reduction valve and the real shutoff valve. And maybe I can shortly show this here in the camera. Jemsen, can you see okay? It's okay?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So, by the way, there's Jonas and Jose, the soccer kicker from. So, yeah, I think that is the thing we really would like to show here, the heated shutoff valve, which is implemented in this case in our PSG Plus probe. Yeah, thank you, Jonas, for holding this. And as you already said, Jemsen, I think the importance is the back perching. Due to our very efficient and big back perching, we had to have the option to really shut off the valve. And as you can see, Jemsen, it's self-regulating, very tiny, very good installed. And yeah, I think that is another super solution in our solution portfolio within for sampling probes. What do you think?
Yeah, this is very new. It has been highly demanded in many of the cases.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes things go a little slower than we want, sales want. But yeah, this is also a great achievement from our product management team, Daniel and the colleagues who are hardly working on this. So yeah, we are happy that we can make this release here at the show. Yeah. Regarding the probes, anything more to add from your side, Jemsen?
Well, I have a questions about the shutoff valve. Is it? I saw you mentioned it is heated, right?
Right.
Wow, this is really important to prevent cold spot. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, no, there's a self-regulating heating available, and it comes with two options. So it's normally opened and normally closed. So this is the two, yeah, let's say options or the variants which are possible here, depending on the PNID and the layout of your sample handling system. So I think that is really a good option we can offer here, right? Yeah, another option, and maybe Jemsen, you can shortly explain when would you use this shutoff valve and when would you use the pressure reduction valve, where Robin was so kind to share this link. When to choose what, Jemsen? What is your idea?
There are several considering factors. For example, if you want to have a pressure reduction valve, it will be used. For example, if you have a continuous working sample pump, if you have a downstream having a sample pump, all right, and if you were to shut off, you have to be careful to to avoid completely going to vacuum. Yeah, so a pressure reduction valve can serve that purpose. You can also
Okay.
have a pressure reduction valve, especially at the ATEX region, right? To avoid having the high installation, high cost of everything ATEX, from power supply to solenoid valve to junction box, you see, or electrical wiring. So one pressure reduction valve serve all the purpose.
Right, right. Yeah, yeah. I think that is that is a good idea. Robin was so kind. There's a new feature for better customer support. We are now offering that you can reach out to WhatsApp to get in contact with our support team. I know in some areas we are still working on improvements, Jemson, and I think it's fair to say that also in terms of operations. But this is our message. We are improving there, and we want to have the direct customer contact. Yeah, and maybe I can shortly share this here. Like I said, it's also possible when you click on our website. Let me see. I go to the English version, and maybe I can shortly share this. So then you would see that it's also possible. Where are we? Maybe I show it later. Here, Jemson, can you see that?
Yes.
So when you click on our website, doesn't matter if you do it by phone or by the computer. Here you have also now the option to open the WhatsApp. Yeah. So that is another improvement we are working on. So, oh my God, yeah. Okay, so many news, Jemson. All right. Good. So, for the probe, we introduced our newest development. Another thing which, I must say I'm quite proud of, and maybe I can convince my dear colleague Jonas to do some measuring here. Yeah, because what is this topic about, Jemson? You know, as a partner of nVent, the Raycam heaters, which we are using, we've been working very hard to be very innovative. And I think there is a great achievement we had, which is the conductivity and the fully certification of our heated sample lines. And therefore, I think it's a great achievement from the team that we not only have the ATEX certification, but we also have the IECX certification. And I would like to show or to hand over, so to say, to Jonas. He's been doing this testing, but maybe Jonas, you can a little bit explain what is our difference and what is our technology there about.
Maybe I'll show you on my example. We have here a couple of our lines. If you can show it, please. These which would be a standard, which is in the market like forever. It just has a certified heater. And as you can see, we are here measuring if there is conductivity on the outside. If there's conductivity, it more or less means that there's no static electricity which can build up. And as you can see over here, there's absolutely no conductivity on the standard lines. And this is why we thought how we can make our lines safer. And this is how we came up with two solutions. One of them is our X2 line, ATEX to power of 2 line. It is not conductive itself, but it has a layer of aluminum foil just beneath the jacket. This means if there's static electricity building up, it can flow through this aluminum foil layer to protective earth. It is suitable for zone 1, zone 2, and almost all substances, but hydrogen and acetylene. So this means we have also a solution for either if you are using it or if there is acetylene or hydrogen present, or if you just want to be on the safe side. And this is our ATEX to the power of 3 line. This is a very unique type of line. Nobody else has it in the market. And as you can see, I just connected one of the sides to protective earth, where protective earth is connected. And as you can see over here, you can go to every point of the jacket, even at the caps. and there's conductivity, which means there's no chance of any static electricity building up, whatever. And therefore, this is our preferred alternative, what we recommend for more or less all ATEX zones. What is very unique on this type of line is that you can cut it in the field, and it is even covered in our ATEX and ACX certificate. So you do not have, of course, you can order it in a certain length from us, but you can also cut it in the field.
Super. Jonas, thank you so much for jumping in at such a short notice. Jemson, did you understand it? Was the audience?
Absolutely.
The video clear?
I like to say to the audience,
here.
you know,
Please.
to say to the audience is that, you know, safety. Yeah, nothing can compromise safety, especially in the petroleum industries. This is the certifications that we talk about. Is not only on the heater itself, it including the entire heated line, including the outer jacket. This is something new. This is something that is innovative.
Yeah. No, and I think what is so important to us is we have some areas in the world, they have, let's say, I mean, ATEX is known, I would say, in our industry, maybe all over the world. But from time to time, also in your region, Jemson, I think some regions are stronger in ATEX. The acceptance, let's say, for ATEX is bigger compared to other regions. And I think it's a great achievement from the team that we are now also ACX certified. It's always, I must say, kind of effort, It's paperwork you need to do, and obviously also from the cost side, as you can imagine, there's another certificate, another testing, another procedure, so it's also additional costs. But as you said, that is our innovation, that is our investment, and so we don't want to compromise and really want to make sure we can also supply the IACX certification for this.
That is the right word, right? We do not compromise safety. That is the right word.
Yeah. It hopefully is. Okay. Yeah, Jemson, the last, let's say, innovation from no, actually it's two. I need to show you, and also for you. I mean, sometimes a show like the ACHEMA can be very special for the entire team because everyone knows it has to be finished by then, right? And so I'm also very happy and excited, and now I have to move to our stand where we really present our coolers. Maybe Jemson, I think, is the first time you see it, at least in video. This is can you hear me okay? It's okay, Jemson?
Yes, loud and clear.
Super. This is our new MAK 20P cooler, and I think it looks so as you can see, it has the same architecture, the same layout, the same design we have with our MAK 20 family. That should show the different options, and obviously as this one is Peltier cooled, so we have thermoelectric cooling, so that comes with a long list of advantages. For example, you can easily settle the temperature. I can show this to you. Let's see, maybe I put the computer here. So here you have two buttons, and if I go up, let's say 2.5 degrees C, then you would see that the current temperature is rising. So in this case, it stops cooling, as you can see, and it's relatively fast. I mean, in this case, we are not operating this with hot gas. Obviously, if it's, let's say, under pressure, or if it's working with a real gas, then it will be a different situation. Might take a little longer, but you can see how precise this really is. And
Oh, yes.
for everyone, because there might be people saying, hey, you guys already had a Peltier cooler, Jimson. When you remember right, let me put this on a bigger screen here. When you remember right, the MK10 was also available thermoelectric cooled. But this here is a completely different and new product. So we really developed from the scratch. Yeah, we started from zero, and that is also the reason why we managed to get this super thin and tiny design of the cooler. The beauty is you can either install this cooler like this, or you can move it. So as you can see here, it's also possible, and then you remove the power cable. You can bring it to the back, and this here as well. So you also have the option when there's less space, yeah, that you can move this cooler to wherever it fits your requirements. Right?
Side mounting. Yeah.
Side mounting, yeah, that is the right word. Yeah, thank you, Jensen. Thank you for saying that. And as you can see now, we already reached. You saw there was a short moment where the temperature was higher than 2.7, and then, but now it's regulating. So I can really tell you, the guys here, our R&D team, they did an excellent job, as far as I can tell. Redesigning, reshaping this completely new cooler. It comes with a controller which will have a very, very long lifespan of the Peltier elements. There is no refrigerator needed in this concept. Yeah, this can also be a very big advantage. So that is really our, let's say, the biggest new development we are now releasing here at the ACHEMA. What do you think?
I is also very impressed with the few words that I found on the PowerPoint about the ambient temperature up to 50 degrees, and it's also adjustable. The set point can be adjustable.
Yes. Yeah.
Wow.
No, I really think they did a great development here. And there's another thing we would like to introduce by doing this, because this is the heat exchanger. As you can see here, we have the PVDF heat exchanger, the jet stream heat exchanger. But now it's also possible to choose the stainless steel heat exchanger. In case of you have an application with a positive pressure, or you have toxic or any other special gases. So this is another option which is available for the MAK, not just for the MAK20P for the Peltier cooler, but also for the compressor cooled versions, right? So this is important for us to our people, or to our customer, to understand that we also offer this option. So the stainless steel cooler heat exchanger is also available in the MAK20C. And no matter if we talk about 1, 2, or even 4 gas path, as you can see here, this allows us to supply the full solution, right?
Super.
So this is let's say this is the new products, and this is the reason why we would like to invite all the people who are coming to the ACHEMA to see our booth. To see I think the technology relies on details, and I think it's good to see all the solutions really in detail, and to discuss with our salespeople and with our experts here, how can we give or bring a good solution even to their applications. Yeah. Okay.
So,
yeah.
That is a new thing that I need to sell right now.
Yeah.
Is that going to be a new sales target for me?
We discuss later, James. No. Yeah, no, but that is that is the situation here, right? So that's the reason why we are happy to present this. Maybe we can also give a short overview of the projects we've been developing in the last days, in the recent months. My colleague Thorsten and his team, I think we give him a special overview. He will also have a presentation about hydrogen measurement and safety concepts. We will have a good presentation tomorrow at 4 in German time. Everyone is invited to join this presentation. And it should just give a short overview of the different hydrogen measurement solution we are developing. And we always invite our partners and friends all over the world, if you see a design like this, that we can discuss this, we can support you in getting there. We can support you obviously with our with our equipment, with our product solutions, and just reach out. I think it gives a good impression. All right, Jimson. So wow, 26 minutes. I think now we didn't even use the 30 minutes. I think innovations like this and new things like this take some time to explain, but we just wanted to give a little teaser, and I hope you got the impression from the ACHEMA. We miss you here. Yeah, as I said, many people ask for you, and send us some visitors, and it was again a great pleasure to have this webinar with you.
My pleasure.
Yeah. All the best, Jemson.
Yeah,
Stay
all the
safe.
best.
All right. Bye bye. Yeah. Bye, Jemson. Bye.